Ever feel like you're too tired to work out, only to notice you always feel better once you move? That's not coincidence. Movement creates energy. Yet most adults spend more than 10 hours a day sitting, and fewer than 1 in 4 meet basic activity guidelines. The great news, you don't have to live in a gym. Just a few hours of intentional movement each week can transform your health, your mood, and even your longevity. Exercise is one of the most powerful forms of medicine we have. It strengthens the heart, lowers stress hormones, boosts mood, and even sharpens memory and focus. When we move, our muscles release tiny signaling proteins called myokines, sometimes nicknamed the hope molecules. They talk directly to the brain, helping to reduce anxiety and lifting your sense of well-being. Regular movement literally changes how your body and brain function. As exercise researcher Dr. Stuart Phillips puts it, exercise is the real fountain of youth. It's how we stay strong, independent, and healthy as we age. Let's start with your heart. Experts at the American Council on Exercise and the CDC suggest aiming for around 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio each week. If you perform 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, you'll have met that goal. Moderate means you can talk but not sing. So think of activities like brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or dancing. If that sounds like a lot, break it into 10-minute chunks. Short bouts add up. What matters most is consistency. Cardio strengthens your lungs, improves your endurance, and literally helps your body grow new capillaries to deliver oxygen more efficiently to every cell. Next, resistance training. Aim for 2 or more strength sessions per week, working all major muscle groups. That might mean calisthenics, bodyweight exercise, resistance bands, machines, or free weights. Whatever you have access to, use it. Strength training isn't just about muscles, it's about independence. It improves bone density, posture, balance, and metabolism. Think of it as building your reserve capacity for life's demands, carrying groceries, climbing stairs, or keeping up with your kids and grandkids. You can join a gym, hire a personal trainer, buy some weights for your house, whatever works for you. Remember, this doesn't need to be complicated. You don't need fancy equipment. Your body is already the best gym you own. The best way to improve your strength and muscle mass has very little to do with the type of resistance training you choose and everything to do with how consistent you are. The third pillar of physical wellness is flexibility. Keeping joints and muscles moving freely through a full range of motion is critical to maximizing our physical health and preventing injury. When it comes to mobility and flexibility, the following is sound advice. Prior to exercise, warming up is critical to avoiding injury and maximizing gains. Focus on dynamic stretches, so stretches with movement. Pick things like arm circles or gentle lunges. That'll help prepare your body before the activity. To help speed up recovery and ease soreness, a proper cool down is imperative. The focus here should be static stretches. Those are the ones you hold. They will help you recover and calm the nervous system afterward. Flexibility supports balance, posture, and reduces the risk of injury, helping you to keep doing what you love to do. To help you recover mentally, take a few minutes and try the DGW Filter. Ask yourself, did this workout help me deliver on the commitment I made to myself? Did it help me grow, and did it connect me to my why? If it checks any of those boxes, then please celebrate your achievement, but in a healthy way. After you work out, when your heart rate's still high and adrenaline's flowing, you can also implement the ABC Stress Buster to reset. A, acknowledge how you feel. B, breathe slowly. Again, try something like the 4-7-8 breathing method. And C, choose a calming action and then count 1, 2, 3. That simple sequence tells your body, job well done, We're safe now. It's time to recover. If you're just starting out, here's the secret. Don't chase intensity, chase consistency. A 10-minute walk today beats a perfect workout you never do. 5 air squats done prior to answering emails beats 3 sets of 25 squats that you don't have time to do. Pick movements you enjoy and can repeat. Over time, your body adapts, and what once felt hard becomes your new normal. Every rep, every step, every stretch is a vote for your future health. Movement isn't punishment, it's the permission to live fully. Movement is the foundation of physical wellness. It fuels your body, clears your mind, and connects you back to what matters most to you. No matter your age, ability, or schedule, you can move, and each time you do, you remind your body it was designed for motion. If you found this helpful, leave a like and comment down below. Make sure to get subscribed and turn on notifications so that you never miss an upcoming video. I'll see you in the next one.